because I believe we will come claim this high.
And yeah, look at that. The highs were claimed. So I was correct. Um,
All right, guys, it looks like we're trying to break out right now. Question is, do I long or do I not? Let me wait for a candle close on the 10 minutes, see what happens, and then I'll enter long, targeting the highs. So yeah, I'm going to enter long if in 40 seconds, 37 seconds, we get a candle close above it. All right, guys, you can basically, let me just refresh this for you. You can see that I'm ready to long right now, guys. You can see we had a little fake out to the top. Now we're testing the support. You want to buy low, sell high. Right now we're low. If this turns into a massive SFP or just a liquidity sweep, trendline liquidity sweep, just testing the trend line again, getting back above that golden zone, could potentially be a good long entry, as the risk to reward would definitely be worth it, nice and tight, possibly just under this low. But I shall be waiting for that to happen. If we start breaking above, then I'll enter long. If not, then I'm not going to do anything. All right, guys, in my opinion, I'm going to long because we're getting above the golden zone. We tested support, stop loss at the lows, targeting indeed the highs. For what reason, may I ask? Because I believe we will come claim this high. And at 4, that'll be the 4, it's the 5. We're basically in the middle of a fifth wave, obviously this being a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 go claim the high, potentially even tapping the 0.88 or 1 to 11, but we'll see what happens, guys. Yeah, got my alerts set at that line, so yeah, as long as I don't get stopped out, we're good, obviously. Of course, guys, I got stopped out just now. We are currently bouncing off that 786. If we can start trading back above, that would be a good sign, but I already took my trade today and I fucked it, so.
well, guys, welcome back. It's currently 6 a.m. the next morning, and you can see after we had a little bit of a fake out to the downside, tapping that 786, we started trading above. And yeah, look at that. The highs were claimed. So I was correct. I should have entered the trade on the 786, to be honest. It's just a smart thing to do. 786 is the entry. So but yeah, if I had done that on the bounce, stop loss at the 88, targeting the high, that'll be a nice little 1 to 4, baby. But I don't think I didn't. Yeah. So yeah, that's the update of the trade. That was what I was looking at. I wanted the highs to get claimed, and the highs indeed got claimed. Just that entry was a bit off. Even if I longed the fucking golden pocket here, stop loss at the 88, because you know if you hit the 88, there's a higher chance that you're gonna go claim the low. But yeah, pretty good trade, to be honest. Not that I hit it or anything, but yeah, that's getting added to the books. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you can see the power of technical analysis and how I was able to predict that we would go and claim this high. But yeah, this being a 3, whole thing being a 4, elongated wave because we're in the weekend. And yeah, Sunday we just claimed the 5th. We created the 5th wave, claiming the 3rd wave high. Quick summary of that trade setup. You can pretty much see here that basically see here that this was the trade setup. We were here looking for longs. Reason being was because we were hitting the 786 from this move, as you can see, and the trend line had to be rearranged, connecting these highs to that low, and you can see how price kind of double bounced on it in line with that 786 / golden zone, and you can see we got that push to go and claim the high. So that was, I got the direction correct. The entry was just needed a bit of working on, and yeah, that was it. That's the summary. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy the rest of your day or night, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out. Goodbye.